in Seattle, and I had a long layover today, so I decided to check out downtown Seattle for about 5 or 6 hours. So it was a long one. Spent way too much on an Uber, and I kind of regret that, but it's fine because I'm already here and I did it. I have an hour flight left to Vancouver, and I'm meeting up with Tom when he lands, and we land at the same time, so I'm super excited. Just ready for some moody PNW weather. It's been raining constantly, and I love it. So, yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna find my Uber now. I feel so lethargic right now, and my body is just trying to catch up on sleep and whatever else it needs. But it's like 5 p.m. or close to 5 p.m. in Vancouver, and it's already dark pretty much. So I don't really know what we're doing else today, but we pretty much spent the day just eating yummy food and going thrifting in the rain, and it was pretty cozy. I think we're just catching up on sleep and whatever. Tom is on his way back up, and he got donuts from this bakery that we went to earlier today. We just decided to get more pastries because it was so good, and they're about to close. So he went down to the bakery / coffee shop that we were at earlier today and bringing back some goodies. Sometimes I feel like my body is just trying to adjust to traveling, especially when I get older. I crave some sort of normality or like some sort of structure because my body feels like I can't handle it anymore. Or maybe it's just because the stress that I was put on earlier this year with my dad being sick and in the hospital for so long, and I just don't know how to feel normal anymore. But I'm trying to get back to my old life, but it seems like that's no longer possible. So adjusting to whatever this is in the time of my life is a little hard, but I still want to keep this part of me active. I don't know. I don't really know what that means for me in the future.
Look at that. So 2 donuts and a croissant.
Ooh, and a croissant. Oh.
Pretty privileged right here. Oh, yeah.
Slug.
Huge. Damn, his fat ass bent that mushroom. I have to swap lenses for this.
Oh, I wish I had a macro lens. Look at that. Look how cute he is. Oh, dude, I want to live here. Build my little home. Right here. How long have we been on this trail for? And it's like...
We've been in it for an hour and a half, damn.
Wait, let me see. Is that...
An hour and a half.
Oh my god.
3/4 of a mile. Oh yeah.
An hour and a half, and we barely like...
Yeah. Keep the slowest pace of all time.
Everything that they said about Vancouver having like probably the best donuts is true. I think I've had a donut every single day that I've been here so far. Just got back from a lunch that actually ended up being like 3 or 4 hours of lunchtime at this Italian restaurant, and it was like so good. It is weirdly sunny here. I don't know how long that's gonna last, so I'm gonna go outside. But overall, had a really good day today. It gets dark around 5, so I'm gonna figure that out and go to the water or like somewhere and just hang out around the pier, enjoy my own company with this donut, because I don't think I can finish this in like one go. Oh my god. Crazy. Just arrived at our Airbnb. It's really cool in here though. Got a fireplace, stuff, kitchen, bed, couch, shit, second bedroom, bed, and that is the bathroom. But we are gonna get a good night's sleep tonight and wake up super early for a hike tomorrow. Whoa. So where's the tracks? Did it really go off the tracks?
I'm like 90% sure it was one of these trails.
Damn.
Oh, they go far.
Wow. Yeah, safe to say, I don't think you should go in there. I mean, I want to play it safe, to be honest. It's so crazy because there's multiple different ones just kind of all over. It goes as far back as that. Leaving this trip has made me feel more refreshed than I felt at the start of it. I've been experiencing burnout pretty bad lately, and I have been just totally letting it consume me. I let it drain my energy and the love I have for my life, which is so insane to me that I even let it do that. But we shouldn't beat ourselves up. We're all just humans trying to figure it out. Sometimes we can get too caught up in the chaos of things and just forget what's in front of us.